Hey, parachute string here. Got a train coming. I just saw the signal, it's green. So, back over here again. See if we see him. Let's just see how far he is. Be listening. I'm listening. I don't hear him yet. I got my radio on in case he says anything. That thing just turned on, so he can't be that far. Here I am. There's the main line. There's 3 main lines. 2 right there, and there's 2 way over there. Crossing other cars way over there. Where are you at, good buddy? You're a big airplane, but I don't see him yet. I don't see him yet. Oh, there he is. I see him. Right there. Kind of hard to see him, but it was a B-52. He can't be that far off. That thing just came on a while ago. La 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 la. Nah, 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 nah. That just helps me just pass the time. Makes the time go better instead of slower. Just waiting on him. Do 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 do. I don't see headlights yet. He ought to be here anytime. Sure is windy out here today a little bit. It feels good. Don't matter to me. I don't know if you can see it just around the corner. Just around the corner there. Just around the corner of that right here is where that signal is. It's green. And normally down there, right around the curve under that bridge, should be able to hear his wheels clickety clacking. But don't hear it yet. And honking. He normally honks right down there. Right down there at the bridge. I hear him. I hear him. Way off in the distance. Way off in the distance over there. He's coming. He ought to be getting here anytime. Just heard him off in the distance. Sounds like he's over at the old Criso plant. But he ought to be here anytime. Just like I said, da 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 da. La 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 la. He's getting closer. I think I'm hearing two trains, though. Can't tell which one is what. If one of them might be KCS or Union Pacific. But we'll see when it gets here. Boy, that sun is... Whew. It's hot. I wish that wind would blow some more. Car better get out of the way. Got a train coming. Oh yeah, it won't take him long to get here. But he's coming. He's coming when he can. I thought I heard him. I thought I could hear him. I think that's him. I just heard on the radio.
C1457 permission for backup moving down normal.
Maybe. I hear him. I hear him. I don't see him yet. He'll be coming around there in a minute. Here in just a second. Should be able to see headlights. Oh yeah, he's coming. He's getting close now. He's coming. I hear him. Come on, buddy. I can hear you down there. Oh yeah, I hear his wheels clacking. Clickety clacking now on the rail. There he is. There he is. Right there. Looks like a rock train. There he is. Doing a horn show for me. He sees me. Get better than that. It just don't get better than that. Well, they do a horn show for you, especially when they see you. Just a few, not much. I think he's been to Longview and Marshall, and of course, you know, he goes through Atlanta, Texas, then Domino, Blueberg, and then here. And he's gonna go through Hope right now. Well, let me take that back. Through Mandeville, then through Hope. Well, let's see what he's got right here. I don't know what them are. Y'all let me know what them are. I've seen them, but I just don't know what they are. I don't know what them are. Well, here comes the ending. There it is. Well, that's the end of that video. Y'all subscribe and like my videos, and see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye. There he goes still. But yeah, see y'all on the next one. Bye.